This is Leash by Peak Design. It's everything you need in a camera strap and nothing you don't. No chunky shoulder pads, no clip-in harness, no swiveling thingamajigs, because with Leash, less is more. It fits in your pocket or your camera bag, so you can take it more places. It uses anchor-link quick connectors, which attach to more spots on your camera, let you adapt your carry style to more camera lens setups, and let you wear your camera in more ways. Crossbody sling, around the neck, or over the shoulder. Best of all, anchors are secure, really secure.
Come fly with me.
Leash has dual quick adjusters. It can be as long as you want or as short as you want, so you can do more with your camera. Leash is made from premium ultra-smooth webbing with aluminum hardware, Hypalon touch points, and leather sourced from gold-rated suppliers. Leash is 100% carbon neutral, made by fairly paid factory workers, and available in 4 timeless colors. Leash by Peak Design. It's all the strap you need and nothing you don't.